Tell him what's going on.
Hi, Scott. It's Thanksgiving. We're at Josh's house. Josh, say hi.
Hi, Scott.
There's
Hi,
Mom
Scott.
and your mom right here. Say hello.
Hello, Scotty.
We can email this to him, right?
And there's
Matthew.
Hello, Scott.
And Kevin. Hello.
Hello, Scotty.
We're having
Ask him if
Thanksgiving.
if he got that things, he should have gotten Matthew's pictures.
Of course
He got Josh's.
Can you email him?
Yes.
She's getting the turkey.
He just got a new
We have a
Amazon
turkey
bag.
breast. We're getting it ready
He doesn't use
to
the military
fry.
anymore because they block too much. But he has Amazon now. Somebody hooked him up with computer.
Yeah.
He said.
All right, here's Auntie Gail. She's wiping off. I don't know what she's doing.
She's drying the turkey breast.
Drying the turkey breast. The temperature is at
I think this stays on.
I think you're right.
375.
I'm getting out
It's
of the
gonna
way.
splatter.
Oh,
Slowly drip it in, right?
Slowly.
Slowly, yes, so it
Yeah,
doesn't
watch it.
splash.
Cover
oh.
it.
Hey.
No, just wait 10 minutes.
Oh my
5.
God, that looks awesome! Hungry, yum yum.
Oops. Big close-up shot of Auntie Sherry. Matthew. Hey, buddy.
Are we gonna heat up that other piece of turkey?
hello.
before we
Can you
flip
say something?
Say hi, Scott.
Yeah, go ahead, Gail.
Hello.
You're gonna heat up the gravy. That will, yeah.
it? This stuff is warm. This
Yeah.
stuff isn't cold.
That's what I mean.
Just that one.
But this is room temperature.